Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. You have the SIM2 Max head and the adapter. First, remove any head cover and clear a clean surface. Use a towel to protect the club face and set the driver face down so the hosel is accessible. You'll need a torque wrench or adjustable wrench. Set it to the manufacturer torque if available. Once done, loosen the screw in the center of the adapter counterclockwise until the sleeve can be rotated. Make sure to keep the screw and any shims nearby. Now you'll change the loft setting itself. You rotate the adapter sleeve to align the desired loft index, move from 9 degrees toward 10, 5 degrees or one setting increment at a time. Make sure the alignment mark on the sleeve fully seats into the matching notch on the hosel. This prevents binding. Once aligned, start the screw by hand to ensure correct thread engagement. Then use your torque wrench in gradual steps to reach the specified torque. This avoids cross-threading and maintains consistent club performance. Finish by tightening the screw to the exact torque spec. Confirm it's snug but not over-torqued. Wipe the hosel area clean and replace the head cover. You should hit a few controlled shots to verify ball flight, launch angle, and spin rate compared to your noted baseline. If you see inconsistent launch or the sleeve feels loose, immediately remove and inspect the sleeve seating and screw threads for dirt or damage, then repeat the seating and torquing process. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.